Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cyber and You. I wanted to go ahead and take this time to do the unboxing and review of my Acer monitor and my Lexma keyboard that I have now connected to my PC. And as you can see here, we have the picture of the monitor here, and then I'll go ahead and show you that keyboard here shortly. Alright, let's jump right in. Here you can see the monitor out of the box. Let's just go ahead and show you the keyboard now. Here we got Lexma Gaming Starter Kit. Hook this up to my new PC. I'll do a review of it after I get it up and running. I got this from Target actually, so about $69.99. And as you can see here, we have a mouse, a keyboard, and a headset. Let's get it out of the box and get it connected, and then I'll show you how it runs. A quick overview of the new monitor and keyboard setups. This is what the keyboard looks like all plugged in. It's not bad. Works like a typical keyboard. I mean, really no special functions or anything that I've seen. I have yet to pop in the disc for it, so I can go ahead and show you guys any kind of different settings there might be. Here's the mouse. Again, no special configuration needed, just plug and play. Again, I'll get out the CD here for a second for you to see. It's a pretty beautiful display here, 27 inches. I was gonna try to set up dual monitors here, but for the size of my desk, dual monitors just really won't work here. So this 27 inches is about all I need. You can see plenty of room to do everything that I need. Multiple windows. Might have to resize them just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. So I like this single display, and I'll actually cut to a screenshot or screen recording here of the screen. Maybe it'll show it just a little bit better for you. So I just want to do a quick test, show you the actual capabilities of this monitor as far as like HD quality, stuff like that. So as you've seen in other videos, here's my background here. Pretty visually appealing. Nice colors here, the galaxies and everything like that. Let's just go ahead and bring up some YouTube footage just for some further testing, but it's a trailer for one of my all-time favorite games, Shadow of War. I'm not going to play any sound. I just want to go ahead and just show you the visual quality of it. So it looks really good. Like, check that out. It was so super realistic, and this is just a game. So I'm actually really impressed with what I'm seeing with this monitor. Sorry, actually really liking this trailer. But anyway, you kind of got get the gist of what I'm trying to show you here. So yeah, so if you're definitely looking for a good monitor, this is an actual good choice for any of you that might want to settle for a single monitor setup, because 27 inches is huge. It's huge. It's basically like a small television. Yeah, so look at this Acer 27-inch Full HD 4K capabilities. And of course, if you like this video, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Twitter at CyberandU1. Check us out on Facebook. And again, please comment any concerns that you have with the page, any suggestions you might have, any input. Of course, we like to listen to what feedback you guys have to bring you even better content. So just go ahead and leave your comments down in the tile section below. Thanks.